Welcome to Coast Cruise. I'll be your captain. Captain's mantle for your safety. Please maintain it with your heads, shoulders, knees, and toes extendable at all times. We are going to start the story by saying hello to Rocky the Water Buffalo. Rocky stands at 6 feet tall, weighs 350 pounds, and made out of 310,000 Lego bricks. And now straight ahead over the right hand side to see everybody's favorite Mama and Papa tortoises Bob and Gertrude, and they've been waiting for their eggs to hatch for the last 25 years.
In the barn.
We'll now be heading over to say hello to our friend Elsie the elephant. Elsie stands at 7 feet tall and is made out of 282,000 Lego bricks. Everybody say hi, Elsie. We are now going to be making our way over to London where we have the Elizabeth Tower and London Eye. Fun fact about the Elizabeth Tower, the mountain is called Big Ben. Fun fact about our Elizabeth Tower is that the design is very accurate twice a day.
Yeah, real ones right there.
We'll now be approaching Lionsgate Bridge. If you look at the very top of the bridge, each lines are made out of 17,000 Lego bricks, and I am not lying about that. But here at Coast Cruise, we have another name for this bridge. We like to call it the Waffle Bridge only because it looks like a waffle from underneath. And now as we pass under the Waffle Bridge, we'll be heading over to India where we have the Taj Mahal, which are made out of 143,000 Lego bricks. Now as we sail away from India, we'll be heading over to Paris where we have the Eiffel Tower. Our Eiffel Tower is made out of 117,000 Lego bricks and stands 17 feet tall. And now we'll be approaching. And now we'll be heading over to the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota, Mount Rushmore, which are made out of 220,000 Lego bricks and with all four faces combined: George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Teddy Roosevelt, and Thomas Jefferson.
Oh,
matador. Afraid to face them. Come on, dog. Don't you have a backbone?
And now we've made it to Maryland, USA, where we have New York, San Francisco, Las Vegas, and a few other cities. Here's a Statue of Liberty. She stands at 6 feet tall and is made out of 122,000 Lego bricks, and all of Maryland uses a combined total of 65 million Lego bricks. And now it's been a pleasure to be your guide through your coast cruise. As a reminder, please remain seated until we call take, please stop. Once you have stopped with the document, exit to the left-hand side. Just step upon those seats and use them until you understand don't forget your personal belongings. Now have the wonderful rest of your day here at California, where everything is awesome.